must be nice to just be heard, and it might sound a bit absurd. I'd sing along with the birds. I'd sing along if I only knew the words. I'd sing along with the birds if I only knew the words. Hey everybody, thank you very much for joining. Today we're going to go over Gild the Lily by Billy Strings. I'm still somewhat late to the Billy Strings party. I've never seen him in concert. Listened to quite a bit of his stuff. I've done a few videos, but this song just randomly came up on one of my playlists, and the song's awesome, so decided to do a quick lesson on it. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, hitting the bell for notifications. I do greatly appreciate it. We are getting close to 10,000 subscribers, which never sounded actually possible, so thank you guys for that. If you're returning, you guys already know. Let's go ahead and hop in. Alright, so for Gild the Lily, we're in the key of D, and the intro riff, which is really, really awesome, kind of reminds me of like a new age bird song. Very, very, very cool stuff. So I will put the tab there so you can see that and kind of play along with it. Alright, so that's the first one there. So we're starting here on the high E string, 8th fret, sliding into the 10 there. Then we'll hit that 10, so. And then from there we're going to the B string, we're doing 10, 8, 7, so. Okay. And then from there we're just hitting 7, 5 here on that G. And every single one of the every single one of these intro riffs starts there. So getting that down is paramount to playing this. Okay. All right. So from here. Okay, so here on the D, 7th fret here, then we go on 5 on the G, 5 on the B, so. Then we're going to do a pull off on the G, 7 to the 5, same thing on the D, then 7 on the A, so. Okay, and then from here, or just from the 7th fret here on that A, 5 to the D, I'm sorry. Okay, so that's from that 7th fret on the A, 5 of the D, then on the A again, we're sliding from the 7 to the 9, and then resolving to that 7th fret here on the G, which is, of course, a D. Okay, so. So pretty. and very fun to play along with. So once you get this down, definitely recommend playing along with the studio version, because it helps with the timing and kind of nailing it in there. And once you get that first pass done, once you learn that first pass, you're pretty much got the gist of how to play the intro. So after that first one, the second time through, okay, so just pretty much exactly what you played there, minus that part. So all right, so first 2 times through here. Okay. All right, and third time. All right, so we just added that little end fill to it. So everything remains the same from the first part, right? Oh, sorry. But once you come to this, once you slide here from that 7th fret to the 9th on the A, we're gonna do this run here. Okay, so that is on the G, 7 twice, to the 9, so it's so on the G, 7th fret twice, to the 9th fret, and then on to the B, 7, 8, 10, and resolving on that 7th fret of the high E. Okay. One more time. All right, and then the last time through, exact same as the second time through. So, all right, let's go ahead and play through all that slowly here. So that is the intro piece, which is super fun to play. Once you learn it, you'll want to keep playing it over and over. All right, so the chords for the chord for the song are relatively straightforward. I've got a D, A minor, G. You've got a B minor in there, F sharp 7, also a F sharp minor, and a C comes in here during the bridge. You can definitely play these open. I just tend to play this type of stuff with bar chords, but you can definitely play this song open for the most part, obviously outside of your B minor and F sharp 7, but rhythm, again, it's really straightforward. Let's see. So that's verse, then chorus. got two chords. There's an A in here and an E minor. But again, so for the verse, it's D to the A minor, G, D, then D, A minor, D, then D, A minor, G, D, and D, A minor, D. Now you can, if you're playing this for the D, you can do the second D on each line. So let's see. Sitting under the cypress tree, I saw a miracle flying high. So instead of playing a D there for that flying high, you can do something like that. And that's just on the high E string, just bending that 12th fret, coming back to it, 10th fret, and then resolving on the 12th of that B. So, okay. So you can do that if you want to. You don't have to, especially if you're playing by yourself. But, all right, so that's verse. Chorus, we've got B minor to F sharp 7. If you're not familiar with that one, this is the way I'm playing that F sharp 7 here, barring 2nd fret. Middle finger is on the 3rd fret here of the G, and ring is on the 4th fret of the A. F sharp, yeah, F sharp 7 there. And then D, A, B minor, D, A, B minor, D, A, G, D, A, G, D, E minor. So that last line's kind of weird doing it that way. But anyway, so it's D, so okay, so that last line, it's D, A, G, D, E minor. Okay, and then so you do verse 1, chorus, and then you go for the solo. It's just that intro, the first 2 lines of the intro. So. So you do that, and then you go into verse 2, which is the exact same chords. So verse 2, then chorus, everything's the same. At the end of the chorus, you go into the bridge. So after sing along with the birds, if I only knew the words. So right after that E minor, it goes straight. Well, actually, it holds on the E minor. So for I'd master every. So I'd master every goes into this F sharp minor, A minor, D, F sharp minor. So it holds that for a little bit into a C, and then to the D there. So after that we go into verse 3, verse chorus, which are exactly the same as we have gone over. And then they'll end with the intro riff solos again. So yeah, a really fun song. The intro riff is the most complex part of the tune. Once you get that down, it's relatively smooth sailing. But yeah, great song, a lot of fun to play. Hope this helps you guys out. Please leave me feedback, comments below, and I'll see you guys again soon.